Hi, and welcome to User Experience course for beginners. Happy to have you on board. Why is it that some products work fine, but people don't use them or don't even love them? What if it was your product? You spent months and maybe years developing it, only to see people leaving it for other products. In today's world, functionality is not enough. It's the experience that makes people use and stick with a product or service they love. In this course, we will discuss what is this user experience exactly and how we can plan it so it'll fit the people who use your product. My name is Ishai Cohen. I've been a user experience professional for 14 years and I love every minute of it. I've been teaching user experience elements and mentoring startups in various constellations. I've seen and worked on products that their sole success was that they had better user experience that was based on focusing on the users. We will give you these tools. We will teach you how to do that.
Hello, my name is Karen Rejansky, and I'm expert. My mission is simplifying the complex. I worked on various of interesting products from website and flowcharts editors to security products to even bots. I love sharing my process and ideas with the world, so I write in my Medium blog and in a very popular magazine in Israel called Pixel Perfect Magazine. And I'll be happy for you to follow me on Twitter. The course overview. So, we first start with getting started when UX design and what is UX design and exploring the methods of UX research. After that, hands on UX design, learn to use different tools to preserve and share knowledge from research. And then getting the job done, learn best practices on how to build your product and validation. Learn to assess your product and assumptions.
As prerequisite for this course, you should have some experience working with interactive products, knowledge of the digital world. I guess if you put interest in this lesson, you are already a great fit. You should also be intent and technology savvy in the means that you know and use such services as Airbnb, Uber, Gmail, etc. I guess if you find this course online and purchased it, you'll answer most of these prerequisites. When Karen and I set to make this course, our goals were to plant the awareness of user experience in the mind of our audience. At the end of this course, you will understand the meaning and the process of user experience. You will look at things from different angles. You will return to your workplace with new insights and will know how to implement the things you've learned in your daily work. You will make better digital products and it'll be fun.